Hello, I'm Joseph and I'm here to show you how to terminate a networking cable. Using a crimping tool, so we have the crimping tool here and a cutter. So first, you can use the crimping tool to cut the outer part of the cable, and you can also use the cutter.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare.
So you place the cable in the first cavity of the cutter, then you rotate like maybe 2 or 3 times.
Because I finally got away from you, and I ain't never
Now it's off. So now we are coming to arrange the cables. Okay, so I'll be putting the picture on the screen. That's how you should arrange the cable. You open them, like how it's being done in the video. So, from the picture, we can see from the arrangement that white-orange comes first, followed by orange. Then white-green will come, then blue, then white-blue, followed by green. Then white-brown will follow. Then the last one that is brown will come. So, this is how the arrangement will be like. You'll then arrange it very well so that you will be able to put it in the RJ45. You straighten it very well so that they will be of the same length. You make sure you cut the plastic thing so that it doesn't disturb you. Make sure the wires are not twisted, they are straight. This is because the cables will be cut a little bit to align them very well. So from the video you saw that I cut it twice because it was too long. That is better than cutting it too short at the beginning than cutting everything off when a mistake is done. You'll be wasting the cable. You slide the cables in the RJ45 like how the picture showed us. Take note, from the picture we saw that the cables were placed in where the metal part is upwards. Don't turn it upside down. Then you will put it inside the crimping too, the middle hole there. You then press it. We'll do same on the other side too. We are done with the other side too. And we are coming to test if what we did was okay. We will be using the tester. We will put the RJ45S into it and turn it on. On the tester, you will see lights on both the left and right side. Numbered from 1 to 8, each light representing a cable. So when the tester is switched on, you'll see that the light on both the left and right side are moving simultaneously without skipping one. That means the termination was a success. If we had gotten the lights not moving together or them skipping one light or two, then we will know that we didn't do something right. So when you are doing it, always test it. This is how a networking cable is terminated. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and put it on post notifications so that when a new video drop you will see it.